Happy Monday! I just wanted to tell you a couple things about the assignment today. And yes, it is another Edgenuity, and I know some of you do not like Edgenuity, and that's okay, I understand. But it does have the easiest way to get the information you're going to need to be successful, so that's why I use it. This is the folder that you should see, and if you click on it, you will see that you have a couple of assignments, and I won't give them to you all at one time, but you will have vocabulary and a lecture today. Remember, the vocabulary is just going to give you the opportunity to just spell the words. It's going to take a minute to load. It won't load. I don't know why. But be sure that you just go in and each word you spell, okay, and that you play. And then save and exit, and if it doesn't let you submit, it's okay. I think it's set up to automatically just grade it, give you credit for it. You're also going to see something in there called History of the Americas, Heritage of Colonialism Study Guide. This is going to be, for those of you who bothered to play the video today, you will see that this is already giving you the questions that are in the lecture, so that you can be looking out for the answers. And I will go ahead and give you a few of those. The first two countries to lead in overseas exploration were Portugal and Spain. Pedro Alvarez Cabral claimed Brazil in the name of Portugal. Okay, so that's two. And then I'll give you the first Portuguese and Spanish settlers built large sugar plantations, okay? And then most of the slaves that eventually worked in the sugar plantations in the Americas were brought from Africa. So there you go. I've helped you a little bit with today's assignment. You'll have until tomorrow to complete the lecture, to listen to the lecture, and then you'll have until today to do the vocabulary. Have a good day.